welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you can tell by the title, I'm coming up to you with a shoe trial haul. I went to Deichmann. If you guys live in America, you live in UK, I believe you know what is called Deichmann. Deichmann is a place that you go to. You can always find shoes there. Maybe you are going for a occasion, you don't really know what to wear, you can easily go with a snap of your finger, and they are super affordable. When I mean super affordable, from 10 euro to 50 euro to 80 euro, I believe they sell their shoes. But I don't go there often. I don't go there sometimes when I know I really need specific shoe that I really want to pair some outfit with the quality is not bad at all. But when I want to wear something really, I want to look really classic and put together, of course I go somewhere else. These shoes, like I said, with different outfit, I always like to go there and get something for myself. And I also got from my sister because next month is her birthday, because I don't really know what to get for her. I got a few things, I got a lot of things, okay, but I only pick out two from her shoes, the one I want to show you guys. The rest I'm just going to keep it private, you know. I just want the shoe to be a little bit more because I choose three for myself. I want the shoe to be a little bit more. That is why I picked two out from her shoes, just to show you guys, and it was very affordable. Without any further ado, if you are interested, you want to see all the shoes I got, because summer is around the corner, you need to slay your feet, darling, okay? Before we do that, I will give you 2 minutes to go ahead, hit the subscribe button and notification bell beside the button. Just hit it, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. Show some love to your sister, okay? I love champagne because, you know, when you drink champagne, you just feel like you're only one in the world, you know what I mean? Anyways, that's me, that's my attitude. And right here, you can tell by the name, it's written Deichmann. We have 5 shoes inside this bag, okay? So yeah, everything I spent, I think I spent up to, for my own shoes, I spent 48 euro 99 cents, if I'm not mistaken. And for my sister, for the two I picked from her shoes, the one I bought for her, I think everything, when you calculate everything together, it's going to be 70 bucks. I'm going to be showing you the one I bought for my sister first, okay? So yeah, the first pair I bought for my sister is these 2 slippers right here. I bought this, she had this before, but she said she can't find it, or I don't know, maybe she gave it out, but she just said that she can find it. So yeah, I got this for her again. She loves something like this, super affordable. She's wearing size 38 and I'm wearing size 39. So I'm wearing size 39, size 40. She's wearing size 70, no, size 70. She's wearing size 7, size 8, okay? But mostly she wears size 10-8, okay? When the size 37 is a bit big, so she can wear it. So likewise as me, when I can wear size 39.5, then I can wear size 40, but most times I wear size 39. So yeah, I got these 2 rose gold slippers just for summer, for spring, you know, to wear, just to throw on when you're at home, or you don't want to wear something really complicated, so you can easily throw this on. I love these slippers a lot, and this was 10 euro. When I got this, it was 10 euro, and this was the only pairs they have, okay? This was the only pairs they have. They might have it in other places, in other Deichmann, but this was the only pairs I found. It was 38, in which I was lucky. So yeah, this was 10 euro and super beautiful. I'm going to be showing you how it looks on my feet, then you can really tell it's not my size. I got from my sister is this peach gold. This is a champagne, on peach gold. This is a champagne kind of Hermes heels. I believe this is 6 centimeter, if I'm not mistaken, because I always measure my heels, how tall, how high they are. I think this is 6 or 7 centimeter, if I'm not mistaken, because my sister don't like high heels. So I got this for her. This is a very beautiful champagne Hermes. It has this kind of, you know, two strap at the front, and this is the back, and this was €17.99, and which is a very beautiful shoes. I love the fact that it has this kind of strap at the top, and at the front it has two strap as well, as you can tell. I love these shoes a lot. And when I show her on Snapchat, she was like, she didn't know I got other things for her, but I just decided to show her these shoes, these two pair that I got. So yeah, I love these shoes a lot. This is not really my vibe. The reason why, because I don't like these two strap. If it is only one strap, it's okay. You know, my sister, she's older than me, she's a bit of old cargo, okay? Sis, don't worry, okay? I got you. Guys, I'm in love with this ankle kind of boot. This is not boot, this is an open at the front. It's kind of ankle boots, okay? I'm not going to call it boots because it has this kind of sequin meshed material going on, so it's a little bit of glittery. You know what a sequin means. So yeah, I love these shoes a lot. I love it, guys. I love the fact that it's a black, okay? I love the fact it's a black, and it has this kind of when you wear it, you can see your toes outside, and which I love so much. I have something like these, two shoes like this that look similar like this. Let me just show you quickly because I have them beside me, okay? This is how it looks like. I got this from Pizzarello. It was a bit pricey, okay? You can compare it with this, but they give me the same fit as this one gave me. I'm really loving these shoes. My favorite from the three shoes I got for myself. Guys, are you interested to know the price of these shoes? You don't want to know. You don't want to know. And on the size of this one is size 39, okay? The last pairs, okay? The last pair of shoes that I got for myself. This was the last, and it was my size. How lucky I am. I was shocked. You guys don't want to know. It was €8.70, okay? €8.70. And for the original price, I think it was €40 before. I don't know. I've never bought a shoe of €8 before. This is my first time. When I saw them, I was in love. Like, I was in love. I can't go out without I don't take this shoe with me. So I got them, and I'm so happy with them, and I can't wait to style it on Instagram. They are so cute, so comfortable to walk with. They are just everything. They're just everything. This is an obsession for me, and you can wear it in winter, you can wear it in spring, you can wear it in summer. It doesn't matter a lot. The mesh material is a bit see-through, okay? It's a sequin. It has a bit of glitter going on. I'm just loving it. And the centimeter is 11 centimeter, okay? The highness of the shoes is 11 centimeter, and which is perfect. Almost my shoes are 11 centimeter. When it's more than that, I can't wear it because I need to breathe as well. You can never go wrong with these two nude heels, okay? This nude heel, you can never go wrong. You can never go wrong. I like the fact that there's a little bit of design at the front. It's not just plain nude style, so you have a little bit of details going on. Let me come closer so you can see what I mean. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is the place I'm talking about. So it has a little bit of cuts, has a little bit of design at the front, as you can tell. I'm loving these shoes a lot, guys. I'm really loving it. I'm really loving it, how it looks like, and it's super plain. And the heel, the bottom, which is the back, is very rough. It's not so shiny like the shoes themselves. So with that, you can have a security when you're walking. Maybe you're walking on somewhere which is very wet, so this is going to keep you safe. It's not going to, you are not going to slip off, okay? You're not going to slip off. So I like that as well, and I really love how it looks like. It's super nude, shiny, and yeah, it's very plain. You can't really go wrong. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with a nude of prints shoes, okay? And this one was €22.99. Okay, super elegant, and it's comfortable as well to walk with. The most important thing when you're buying any shoe, make sure you can walk with it, you can stay long in the shoe, at least maximum you can stay maybe 5 to 6 hours with the shoe without it's not hurting you at the side, at the edges. Not the least, last but not the least, so yeah, is these two catwalk perms right here. Okay, they are very beautiful. The reason why I took these catwalk perms is because of the glitter. The glitter at the front is just making a big statement to these perms. Love it as well. This one is a 10 centimeter, it's not up to 11. Okay, so yeah, I just like the front. The front is just making everything to look put together and on point. Okay, and it's a velvet material. It's suede, sorry, this is not a cloth, it's a velvet material, so it's not a clean. Or let me come closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful shoes. It's a catwalk shoes. So yeah, and it's very comfortable to walk with. It's very comfortable. Okay, if this detail was not at the front, I don't think I'm going to be buying these shoes because I think no need. Okay, but this just has had a little bit of details to the front of the shoes. It makes it look very expensive. It's not looking cheap at all. So with the heels, I can really walk with it. Like I said, it's 10 centimeter. So yeah, it's not that high, it's not that too low. So if you know how to wear high heels, you can easily walk with these two high heels. Okay, and yeah, I like the fact that it's a suede material. It's not that plain, because when it's plain, I think you have problem at the side when you wear it at the side. I have a very wide leg. Okay, I have a very wide leg, so before I buy any shoe, I always make sure that the front area I can easily walk, I can rest my small feet inside. So without that, I can't buy the shoes. So yeah, I have a very wide feet. It's size 39. No, this was size 40. You see what I mean? Size 40. So let me come closer so you can see. This one is size 40, because size 39 was a bit too small, so I decided to go for size 40 on my feet. And the price of this one, instead of it was €34.99, but I got this shoes €17.45. So the price was very affordable. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, let me know what you think, which one suits me better. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment if you watch this video. Don't just watch and go off. Of course, I appreciate you guys when you watch also, but I also appreciate it when you leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. That tells me you like what I show you, not just to come and watch. So with that being said, without any further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah.